we want to talk to you guys about cryptocurrency. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I don't want to hear about this particular crypto idea where you've got to invest your own hard-earned money into coins that, well, recently, they've kind of taken a bit of a drop. No. Imagine there was a way to actually be able to get involved with cryptocurrency without investing your hard-earned money, without needing to do any sort of flipping or trading, without needing to do any sort of mining. Now, that would be something special. And that's exactly what we want to share with you today. Hey, what's going on? Dan here with your JVZoo team. And today we're incredibly excited to get to tell you all about CryptoKit. Now, CryptoKit is going to allow you to actually become one of the profiters from cryptocurrencies. Do you know who makes the most amount of money out of cryptocurrencies? It's the exchanges. It's the platforms that actually allow you to convert fiat currencies, so dollars, pounds, and euros, into crypto money. It is the platforms that run competitions, that have lottery-based games, again with cryptocurrency. These decentralized exchanges, those are the real profit makers of crypto. And so, what if there was a way that you could become the same? What if there was a way that you could actually have a software that allowed you to build your very own crypto nest egg without needing to invest your own money, without needing to do any of the other things like mining or flipping? Well, take a look at this. Now that is CryptoKit. CryptoKit is incredibly simple, and you're going to get a white label license that allows you in minutes to create your own decentralized exchange and in fact run your own crypto-based competitions, crypto-based games, and receive money from ad revenue. Now, white labeling, which means you can add your own logo, your own colors, gives you a completely personalized site without needing to know any of the technical skills, without needing to code or anything like that. Now, in just a few minutes from now, you're going to be able to get connected into this system and start profiting. And remember, you're profiting on autopilot. Every time somebody transfers from a fiat currency over to a cryptocurrency, you're making a commission. Every time someone plays a lottery game, watches an ad, participates in the site, you're making cryptocurrency. Now, of course, you can sit on that crypto for several years, you can change it over to fiat currency, the choice is yours. Now, if you're yet to get involved in cryptocurrency and you're looking for a way to really get involved, now is the best time. The market right now is as low as it has been in several months, and so it's a great time to get in on the action. Perhaps you took a big loss from cryptocurrency over the last 12 months, and you're now looking for a great way to rebuild those funds. Well, cryptocurrency on autopilot, without you needing to invest, flip or mine, that's pretty awesome too. So, full information is going to be down below this video, and I encourage you to drop down below, check out all the information, see the features and the functionalities of CryptoKit, take a look at the demo video, see just how easy it is for anyone to be able to create their own crypto site in minutes.